Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to withdraw from your Bitget wallet to your bank account. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. To sign up for Swissborg, all you have to do is scroll down until you see the first link in the description. Or once you see the first link in the comment section below, click on it and it will redirect you to this page right here. Copy this code and scan this QR code. Once you download the application and sign up, deposit some money, you will get the chance to win up to 100 euros in the lottery ticket that they provide from the application. As you can see right here, I'm doing the exact same steps. And then once you verify all your details, voila. Now you have access to the application. Now you're going to go to your Bitget wallet right here for the home page. And then you're going to go to your wallet section on the bottom right. Then from here, you're going to select whichever token you might like, for example, Solana. And then from here, you're going to click on transfer. Now, once you click on transfer, it will ask you for the details for the receiving address. To get that, you're going to exit the application and then go to your Swissborg. Now from here, after you log in and sign up for your Swissborg account, it's going to show you to the main page right here. Now from here, you're going to go to your portfolio, and then from here, you're going to click on deposit. Once you click on deposit, you're going to go to the Solana or whatever currency you might like, and then from here, you're going to go to your address, which is going to be set right here, and then for the receiving address. Now go back to your account for the Bitget wallet, and then from here, you're going to paste the receiving address and whichever amount you might like in it. Then from here, add the memo and send it. Once you do that, you're going to go back to your Swissborg, and then from here, you're going to go to your main page, and then you're going to go and transfer it from Solana to your euros. And then after you do that, you're going to go to your euros, and then from here, you're going to go to withdraw, and then you're going to add your bank account. And finally, you can enter your IBAN if you're in a European country, save the account, and then transfer how much euros you would like to it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.